Fast fact. Did you know that not all orchids in the garden are what they seem? Meet the orchid mantis, an insect that's taken the art of camouflage to a whole new level. It doesn't just hide among flowers. It becomes the flower. Unsuspecting prey, lured by its beauty, quickly realize it's not just another blossom. Its entire life revolves around this act. From feeding to finding a mate, the orchid appearance is key. In the world of stealth and surprise, the orchid mantis truly reigns supreme as nature's master mimic. That's the orchid mantis. Fast fact. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.